Okay, Mr. Weaver's garden is in the shape of a rectangle. In the garden there's a patio in the shape of a rectangle, 2 ponds in the shape of circles. The rest of the garden is grass. You're going to spread fertiliser all over the grass, and only the grass of course. 1 box of fertiliser will cover 25 metres squared of grass. So how many boxes of fertiliser does Mr. Weaver need? Show all your working. So first of all we need to work out how much grass there is. So the grass is within this rectangle, but obviously it doesn't contain the pond. So we need to work out the rectangle first and subtract the area of the 2 ponds. Now the rectangle, well, we know the height is 9.5, we need to know this length here that can be found doing 17 subtract 2.8. So this will give us 14.2. So the rectangle then will be 14.2 times 9.5. And we need to subtract from the rectangle the area of the ponds. Now there's 2 of them, so it's going to be 2 times pi r squared. Now r is the radius. You have not been given the radius, you've been given the diameter. So you need to do that times 1.9 squared, as that is the radius of the circle. Now remember, the formula for the area of a circle is pi r squared, and the reason I've got the 2 is it's not part of the formula, is because there are 2 ponds. So we'll need our calculator to work this part out, and then we will be dividing that by 25 square metres and rounding up to work out the number of boxes of fertiliser we will need. So the rectangle comes to 134.9, the 2 circles comes to 22.68, so the total area of the grass comes to 112.21. So we merely need to divide that now by 25. The answer comes out to 1 decimal place, that's 4.5. So we're going to need to buy 5 boxes. We can't buy 4.5 boxes, so the answer is 5 boxes.